Hi, so I just ordered the Vizi-Tec SupaBrake-II from Vizi-Tec.com. This will be installed on my 2018 Honda Africa Twin Adventure Sport. I noticed there was no installs for this device on the Adventure Sport, so I took it upon myself to try to figure this out. Now, since purchasing this, since it just arrived today, this is how it came. No instructions, no guidance, nothing else to how I'm supposed to put this in the bike. So I am freeballing this, so to speak. So let's take a look at what I've done so far. I've had to remove the main seat, the pillion seat, the luggage rack carrier, and the brake light cover. Again, 2018 Honda Africa Twin, the Adventure Sports model. You can see all the pieces have been removed so far. The plug-in is right here. And here are the male and female parts that will be attaching to this plug and this outlet. So once I plug this in and figure out if it still works, I will start up again with programming.